Not all developmental delays are immediately visible. Some signs may not be obvious, but significant. That is why early screening plays a vital role in pediatric care. So today, we will going to explain what is Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test, or the MMDST. It is a standardized screening tool used to assess whether a child's development is appropriate for their age. So, through these video presentations, we will going to explain its importance, purpose, components, and also we will going to demonstrate how it is properly conducted.
The purpose of MMDST is to identify children who may have developmental delays. It serves as an early screening tool to determine whether further assessment or referral is necessary. Early detection of developmental delays allows timely intervention and appropriate management. It helps healthcare providers monitor child growth and development according to age-appropriate milestone.
It also guides the parents in understanding their child's developmental process.
Most importantly, the MMDST is not an intelligence test. It is a screening tool designed to identify possible developmental concerns, not to measure a child's IQ or level of intelligence.
The MMDST evaluates 4 major developmental areas.
This includes gross motor, fine motor adaptive, language, and personal social skills.
The child's performance is compared with expected developmental milestones specific for their age.
Magandang araw po, ma'am. Ako ang nurse na magkakandak ng Metro Manila Development Screening Test sa inyong anak. Gusto ko lang po ito ipaalam na hindi po ito IQ or intelligence test. Ito ay screening tool lang po ito para malaman kung naayon sa edad ng inyong development ng inyong anak. Ba namin simulan ang screening test at humingi ng inyong pahintulot? Para mas accurate po ang resulta, gagawin ko ang screening na konti lang ang tulong ng magulang mula sa anak. Para makita natin kung saan or hanggat saan ang kaya ng inyong anak. Pwede po kayong manatili sa malapit po sa inyong anak at hahayaan po natin ang inyong anak na masagot or gawin ang simpleng task para malaman natin kung saan po ang kaya ng inyong anak.
This help ensures that the result reflects the child's true developmental abilities.
We request minimal parental assistance during the screening to avoid influencing the child's performance.
This help ensure that the result accurately reflect the child's true developmental abilities.
In conclusion, Metro Manila Developmental Screening Test is a valuable tool for early detection of developmental delays. Through proper screening and informed consent as well as collaboration with parents, healthcare provider can provide an optimal child's growth and development.
Na tayo, baby. Help po si Nurse Jovel Abdulatif. Ikaw, ano pangalan ng baby?
Alaya Istika Buo.
Yeah. Baby, ano ito, baby? Flower. Oh, very good. Ito, baby, ano ito? Baby, ano ito, baby? Bola? Yeah, very good. Mag-drawing tayo, so mag-drawing ka ng patayo. Patayo. Sige. Gitahan. Okay. Yay! Very good. Okay, cut. Kaya gayahin mo to. Sige, babe, gayahin mo yun, baby. Dito may salat, ha? Sige, babe, gayahin mo to, baby. Ano ito, baby? Ano ito? Sige, babe, mag-jump tayo, ha? Jump! Ready, one? Yay! Taas. Yan. Yan! Yan, tapon mo sa akin. Hey! Very good! Ulit. Yan, yan. Very good!